The music and the movement, it's in that culture.
What makes Cuban dance special, I think, is their spirit. I think maybe it comes across, and the warmth it comes across in their dancing.
There are certain hardships to do with governments and politics, and I think that makes life difficult.
People there are making the best of what they have, and they don't have a lot. And I think their passion, it shows in anything they do.
It makes them also want to reach out, break out, open up. It's very intense and complicated that way.
Cuba is a melting pot of different rhythms and art and dances, plus a very rich history, a very mixed cultural background,
I saw part of them in Cuba when I went at the theatre in Havana, which is all falling apart and crumbling, and people dancing in every corner of it, and I was captivated then by them. They're different to the National Ballet over here, and they're so dedicated and so graceful and so beautiful. It's just very uplifting.
Given the resources that that this country has and this company has, the standard of dance that they're turning out, and the standard of production that we see tonight is amazing.
I've never seen Cuban ballet before, but I think it's brilliant. Very, very impressed.
There's a whole undercurrent to everything that goes on there, which is politics and money and what they don't have. But it fuels everything that they do in really interesting ways.